Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Port Perry, Ontario, is a charming town in the heart of Durham region, right along the shores of beautiful Lake Scugog. Port Perry has a small town feel with a population of around 6,000 people, but it's full of history and character. The town is named after Peter Perry, an influential reform politician, who helped develop the area in the 19th century. Port Perry thrived thanks to its location near the lake, which played a big role in building a strong steamboat industry, and supported early logging operations. As you stroll through downtown Port Perry, you'll notice the beautifully preserved Victorian architecture. Queen Street is a favorite spot for locals and visitors alike, featuring old-fashioned street lamps, hanging flower baskets, and many family-owned shops, cafes, and restaurants.
Thank you very much.
One of the highlights here is Palmer Park, a lovely spot by the lake, with green spaces and paths perfect for relaxing walks. Whether you're into boating, fishing, or simply enjoying the beautiful waterfront views, Lake Scugog offers plenty of recreational activities. In winter, it's even known for ice fishing. Thank you for joining us in discovering the beauty of Port Perry, Ontario.
Thanks for watching!